What are you doing? You standing up all by yourself? You are, huh? You're standing up all by yourself? Yeah. Say hi. You just keep trying to grab the camera. You have glitter on your forehead. You can't have the camera. Whoa, don't fall. It'll hurt. Look at you turned all the way around. Here, hold on to the table. Hold on to the table. There you go. There you go. Yeah, you're standing up all by yourself. Mommy's not holding on. Look at you, big girl. Whoa. Whoa. You gotta stay focused. Yeah. Whoa. You're wobbling. You're still trying to grab my arm, huh? So you can get the camera. You gonna show the teeth? Show those teeth. Boo. 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 Oh. Why are you hiding the teeth? See? There they are. Did you just burp? Whoa, careful. You can't have the camera. You can't have it. You're determined, huh? Yeah. Whoa, where are you going? Where'd you go? You gonna stand up? You gonna stand up? Oh, oh. You almost had it. You almost had it. You're just gonna get into stuff now, huh? Cynthia. Cynthia. Look at Mommy. No, you can't play with the you can't play with the controllers. Those are Papa's toys. Come on, pull yourself up. You almost got it. Where are you going? Oh. That's not where you wanted to go. That's not where you wanted to go. You want help? Oh, come on. Ugh. No, you can't. You gotta wait for the feet part. Hold on. Oh. All right, now stand up. There you go. Mommy's got you. I got you. Hold on. Hold on. There you go. You got your balance now? No, you're just trying to get the camera. You just want to get the camera. Whoop, where are you going? Are you sitting on your foot? You gotta grip. You gotta hold on tighter than that. Come on. Cynthia, bless you. Bless you. Say bye-byes. Bye-bye. Yay. Say bye-byes. Say bye-byes. Cynthia, say bye-bye. Okay, you did it once. Hey.